Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 16 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to add all of this. Now we're gonna continue working on this. What I want to do is actually go around and add the preferred materials that I want to add here. So specifically on all of this area. So what I want to do is to go and click on paint. I'm going to use metal panel and I'm going to add all of this here. And as you can see, we need to add all of it. Right there and right here as well. And then what I'm gonna do here is the same one. So metal panel. So I'm gonna add maybe another metal stud layer. I'm gonna choose a metal stud on this one. So just to differentiate, so metal stud on this one and right here. So those are metal stud. I want to make sure that this one is attaching properly. And if you notice, if I click on paint and here, the one that we extruded, you cannot add paint. What you need to do is select this one, edit in place. You need to go inside the edit place in order for you to pick on and select that. So that's the way that you need to do when you have an extruded part. So I want maybe oak flooring on this side. And then obviously we could just leave it like that. So I believe I want to put this one into metal panel. I think metal panel is best on this part. And then metal stud layer is on this one. And all of this is different as well. So I believe we've finished on this one. Now what I want to do is to add something here in front. As you can see, it's just looking plain. So we need to go to ground and we need to add something different right here. So now we're going to add some floorings. So click on a floor, edit, duplicate. This will be floor number 11. Edit type, change this material. I'm gonna put in a concrete material. We have abundance of different kinds, so we could just add those right there. And then let's create something of a rectangle on this area, around 1000 probably. And then here 1000 as well, and then 1000 right here. Then obviously we need to round out. So align this for now, and then using fillet arc, we could round this out like that. Fillet arc on this one as well. And then fillet arc on this. We can leave it like that. We have 400 here and 300 here. Let's make it consistent. A little bit 400 there. There we go. That looks nice now. So now let's offset this to probably 50. So we just need to go around and put 50. There we go. And obviously we need to trim that afterwards. And we're going to add grass on top. Make sure this one is 0 offset. We don't need that on the height offset right here. But we could use it on the grass. So now let's look at it in 3D. So this one, we need to basically add those 200 on top. We could put 100, maybe just 100 is good enough. Yeah, 100 on those. And then we could then add in the grass. So the grass is the same one like this, CS on that, and then add pick line. This one we could put 100 and probably 20 for the height offset. Click apply, and then let's look at it at 3D again. So that's looking good. We have our grass, and then we could add in some decorative pieces. We could move this one right here, add in some stuff here. I want to edit this one, edit boundary. So now this one should be the sidewalk. Yeah, around 1500. Click on finish, and then we could create another floor. So create another floor, edit boundary, duplicate. This will be 12. Another concrete material. and then just put it right there. 0 on that, apply. Sorry, this one should be 9, and then another floor is 12. There we go. Something very smooth and nice, just as a quick separation on that end. And then just double check on part 1 description. It will be on the second link. You could have this spotlight. So I'm gonna add those spotlight right there. I'm gonna add one, and then I'm gonna add it on those right here as well, and then right here as well. So I'm gonna add those now, and then later on so CM on that, add it there. So let's go to our ceiling plan, first floor. Let's see, this one showed, so I'm gonna just going to add it there. Copy 800, copy again, make sure multiple is turned on. $800 as well, and then let's look. There we go. This one as well, put it in the middle, copy, multiple is already checked. 800, 800, 800. There we go. And then we could just at least move them centered, something like that. And then this one as well. Let's move this one right here. Maybe we could just align it AL so everything is consistent. Copy that. 800, 800. So we have it there, and then we want to add it on the second floor as well. So maybe the roof, second floor is not showing. Let's check the view range. I want it to be unlimited. So there we go. I want to double check if we really have it there. Yes, we have it right about here. Just one of that. And that is this one. So we could just copy that around 2000. I think that's good enough. Two of them showing. Copy. I want to put it at 1000 each. There we go. Select invisible view, and then just put it right there. And then we have this fog light. I'm gonna add this one as well. I want to add it right about here so that we have a nice source of, I don't know if it's fog light 1 or 2 or 3, but let me see. This one is fog light 1, I believe, and I want to check fog light 2 and 3 as well. This is 2, the square one, and then the 3 is the small one, and I believe the 3 is the one that I want. I'm gonna put it right there. I want it facing like that and facing the wall, and I'm just gonna add it somewhere right here, and then probably around 1500. I'm gonna put it in the first part description as well. So use fog light 3. And then as you can see, it will just give us something nice on our wall right here. So once we're in Twinmotion, we're gonna put a spotlight there and it will illuminate this part. So that's what I wanted to do. And then I just want to fillet this one, or not fillet, but split element this one as well, so that we could basically have this one right here, and then on this one as well. So that once we paint it again, metal panel, we'll be able to put all of that there as well. There we go. And also on this part, we need to do that as well. So split, choose this one right here, and then split face this. And then here, get all of that. And let's not forget to add a roof there, so ground floor. I just want to know this one is roof CS on that. Ground floor, yes. So let's put it right here, and then let's put it at second floor. Add it right about here. Click on finish, go to 3D, and we could pull this one down. So this one should be base offset -400. There we go. And then paint. This one is asphalt. asphalt shingles on here. So I believe we're done with this one. What we can do next is, in the next video, is to prepare the sheets. So thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.